welcome back to the Transport Bandits channel. I am Cheryl.
I'm Jeff.
And we are going to tell you that we are getting $7,321 in less than a week.
Yeah!
In the next few videos, we'll show you how it all goes and if we can actually do it. But the plan is that we have a load going from Indiana to Monroe, Washington. That is my load. It's a Class C motorhome going 2,186 miles, paying $1 a mile. That's your go. That's a pretty good rate for a motorhome, right? Okay. That will get me paid $2,186.
Yeah!
Jeff has a load going from Goshen, Indiana to Kamloops, British Columbia. Now that one's going to go 2,182 miles, and he's going to get paid $1.91 per mile. He will follow me out to Monroe, Washington. I will deliver mine, and then I'll jump in the truck with Jeff, and we will travel up to British Columbia. Deliver his either that same day or the very next morning, and then we'll drop down to our Pendleton yard in Pendleton, Oregon, where we have a load set up after we deliver his load to pick up that goes to Comox, British Columbia, Vancouver Island. And that load is going to go 625 miles, paying $1.50, because no reload pays as much as it does coming out of Indiana. It pays $1.50 for 625 miles. That will get us $968. So all total, $2,186 for my unit, $4,167 for Jeff's unit to Kamloops, and then Jeff will take the $968 load to Comox, British Columbia. It'll take us 3.5 days to get out to Monroe, Washington. So if we leave on Thursday, we should be able to deliver that Monday morning. I'll deliver my unit Monday morning. We will then travel up to Kamloops, deliver his on Monday afternoon or early Tuesday morning. We will travel down to Pendleton Tuesday, load up with the Pendleton load, take it to Comox, which we have to take a ferry to Vancouver Island. We've never done that, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that video coming up in a couple of videos from now. And then he'll get paid $968, and we're hoping to get that delivered by the Thursday. From the time we left Goshen on Thursday to a 1 week later, that gross is $7,321.
Yeah!
And of course, you know, you got your expenses, your fuel expenses taken out of that, but that's pretty darn good, don't you think? We can do it.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for those videos coming right up. We are picking up. We are how many miles from Goshen are we? We're only like 10 miles from Goshen. And I've got my new hair. So now I'm more white than yellow. It looks really white on the camera, but it's not that white. It's just the camera.
Blindingly white.
Oh my gosh. All right, so...
It used to be yellow.
Yeah, it used to be blindingly yellow.
Like straw.
Yeah. We're on a triple threat load. I've got a Class C going to Monroe, Washington, all the way across the country. Class C motorhome is a big motorhome that I drive. I prefer the Class Bs, but that's the little vans that you've seen in the other videos, but I've got a Class C this time, so. But it's going all the way across the country, paying like $1 a mile for 2,118 miles.
Yeah, too bad it's not a Class B.
Yeah. So, and Jeff's got a towaway going to Kamloops, British Columbia.
Yeah, it's a really lightweight little camper.
Little lightweight camper. And then we're going to drop his off. Then we'll come right back down to Pendleton, Oregon, to our backhaul yard and pick up a towaway to Comox, British Columbia, which means we have to take the ferry to Vancouver Island. We've never been there.
That's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah. I was kind of done with the Newfoundland ferry for a while, but this one runs every 2 hours, so it's different.
It's the new ferry.
And we've never been to Vancouver Island, so that's going to be exciting. But the Class C motorhome is a big, drivable motorhome or whatever, so we've got to be really cautious on fuel, because this last week...
Man, the fuel prices have went crazy.
It's jumped overnight, like 20 cents up a gallon. So even in Goshen at this moment right now, it's like $3.99, something like that. Ridiculous. In Goshen.
Totally ridiculous. And you guys know that the fuel price means everything in this transport business. I mean, that's your bread and butter. You make it or break it on that. So we're going to be cautious. We'll do everything we can to get as many miles a gallon as we can, because even 1 mile to the gallon makes a difference.
Anyway.
Checking all of our fuel apps diligently.
Yes, I got Fuel Book, which is the Synergy app. Then Synergy sends us out a email like every other day. We get a fuel discount with Pilot and Flying J. They'll send out another email like the next day for TA and Petro. Then we got Sap Brothers.
We got Sap Brothers too.
And I also go on there sometimes and check like Gas Buddy, but that's not the most reliable source. But we have got to be very diligent on our fuel consumption for this big long trip with the way the fuel is going, because it's ridiculous. So I've got research to do. All right, let's go hook up.
See you guys.
$7,321. We can do it.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for those videos coming right up. Jeff, you want to tell them what to do?
Subscribe.
If you haven't already done so.
Apply to Synergy.
Put our names down.
Transport Bandits.
And leave a comment down below if you want to know any about the details of the upcoming videos we're going to show you. Transport Bandits out.